What, boy?
Yup.
We're at T-Sane right now.
The spot, bro.
Volcano. You already know what it is.
Griffin, the only functional one in the lot. Not even capping. Not even capping.
Yeah, well, I got coilovers coming on Monday, so that's about to be gone.
The wheel gap will be gone, bro. Yeah, where's the Corvette?
Right.
Holy shit, dude. This guy's got hella camber.
The flasher ball on the top, too. Post is Outtro shit.
Bro, this thing is dumb. This thing is dumped, fam. Damn. Is it G? Yeah. Wait, where'd the Corvette go? I think he left. Oh, this.
It's like a proper drift car.
Actually?
Yeah, front camber. Drift week banner.
How the oh. Wait, I see it. Wait, is this your car?
He's right here.
Dude, how do you do the wheels, bro? Is it?
It's like something out of cars.
Is there a secret? Is there a certain secret, man?
It's like something out of cars.
I don't know, man. You pay someone to do it a lot of fucking money.
A lot of money.
Right? Yo, where'd you get that hoodie from?
This one?
I got it.
Oh, my dad got it for me like 4 years ago, man. Yeah.
Oh, no, this one goes hard. I fuck this Sparko shit.
Yeah, my dad got it for me years ago. Years. Dude, this thing is sick, though. Holy. Oh, I see. Oh, he's got it on the, like the brake,
I'm so confused. It looks like it's floating.
Oh wait, it is floating. Never mind, I'm tripping. It's like a really, you know, like people like care about like the details and stuff. I know it's like really pretty. Like it's like really pretty.
That's nice.
Like you thought mine's really ugly. Yours is clean because brand new.
New car.
It's like yeah.
What are these?
I think they're just like a test, yeah. He's got the Wraith roof. He's got the Rolls Royce Wraith in the Wraith, bro. Shit.
Oh, dude, that shit's hard.
Dude, I know how much effort that took. I've seen a video. Do you mind if I open the roof?
Yeah, you guys can go ahead.
Dude.
That's the kit where you have to like drill all
Dude, you have to drill like a million holes, bro. He's got the Wraith roof, bro. The Rolls Royce Wraith stars. Oh my god, bro, that thing is sick, bro. This thing is sick.
If I had headliner, I would totally do that.
Okay, damn. Oh yeah, wait. Oh, dude. Holy. Bruh. Where's that T-Sane, bruh? Where's that T-Sane, bruh? Bruh. We're literally at T-Sane, bruh. Gang. Alright.
You guys ever go fucking like skyline like on Highway 9?
Yeah, we're always up 9, man. Yeah, bro, we're always up 9. He goes fast, I just go slow. I mean, you can tell by my fitment. He goes fast, I go slow. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that road.
Yeah, would. Yeah, so. Man, oh man. Not again, bro. Hey, bro, I'm trying to enjoy my T-Sane, bro. Bro. Oh no, now someone's two-stepping. Oh no. All right, man, we cruising back. This dude's flying, bro. Shit. Oh god. It's just about to fly by too, bro. Oh shit! Just pulled up to 9 again, but this time there's no cops. Griffin's free. Well, you're not. Allegedly, he's free. There's no cops. I'm about to ride in Dean's car. Maybe Andrew's car. We'll see. Can I get a ride in your car too? Shama. You'll see that? I have a Prius too, so. Hey, Prius versus Subaru, dude. Hell no, I'm gonna lose, dude. I'm gonna lose.
I got you in the RX.
I'll beat you off the 40 foot, cause I got electric battery.
Maybe.
The 40, no, like the 20 foot, the 20 foot, yeah. I pushed that, yeah, 20 foot, the 20 foot, my bad.
Then once the turbo spool.
Yeah, once you.
You're only allowed to use your
The
clutch.
Prius repellent. I just want to spew the Prius repellent on your Prius though.
Dude, you would though, you would tap my shit, dude.
I really want to.
Oh, dude. Dude, what's up, man? Oh, shit. Okay, I know it's cold. Dude, you guys are up again, man. Holy cow. Is that your car, the white one?
This is mine.
Oh, that's what you're trying to sell, right? Is it a 4 Series?
Yep.
Oh, it's a 4 Series?
Yeah.
Dang, man. These are the same wheels you have? No, yeah, you, no. Are these...
Cool M4, bro. Thanks, bro. I wish I could have one.
Hey, he's got the carbon tips too. Hey. That's what though. Damn, bro, you guys came up here without jackets? Come on, man.
I know. It's cold.
I'm so cold, bro. Almost there, dude.
But I'll bounce it off the window.
All right, we're in the Prius repellent mobile. The Prius The Prius repellent mobile.
Good old Prius.
Is there enough space? Oh, do you think I can fit in the back there? Or is
Yeah,
that
go
probably
for
too-
it. Go on this side though. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's unlocked.
We have the not a radar, right? Because we're going the speed limit and we don't.
Is he gonna get in? Where'd he go?
Wait, Andrew, where'd you go?
He's turning off his car.
Oh, you okay? I was like,
This about to be a
I was
good
like, he
video,
just-
'cause when you rode along with
he just
me,
straight
the
up.
footage is so good. It's gonna be the same thing.
oh, we're just gonna go on one short run.
Right?
Yeah. Launch control works, man.
Yeah. I only do it on gravel though. I'm not trying to destroy my axles.
Yeah. All right.
fuck.
Hopefully there's no cops
Yeah,
today.
hopefully the seat didn't pull up.
Oh my God. Shit.
Alright, let's roll up the windows.
Yeah, we roll up the windows.
Yeah. It's kind of cold.
It is a little chilly. Hold on.
What do we have here?
What do we have here? Supra? Oh. Oh shit. Oh. No, I'm kind of scared now. No. No, I know you're all-wheel drive, but.
That says 35 miles per hour.
Yeah, I thought 35. I thought it was 35. No, we're going 30.
I'm actually
No,
just scared.
we're going. Yeah, I'm kind of scared now. Good thing this thing has little handles for us. Yo. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh, okay. Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh God. Oh.
The reaction is better than I expected.
We just go in a straight line, bro. We're not used to doing this. We're straight line kids. So we're not used to going like that in turns.
You're nuts, dude. Bro.
Andrew, we're just straight line kids.
Well, I'm just like the straight lines, bro. I can't do this shit.
Yeah, I can't do this shit either.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it takes
dude.
way too much.
And back we go. And back we go.
Hey, bro, come on. Hey! Hey! Oh, hey, oh, chill. Oh, we're gonna die. Actually, no, we won't die, but like, you know, does he have a cage? No. Hey, no cage, no problem. Oh, shit. Oh, God.
My hair's all gonna be f***ed up. And I'm like,
Dude, I know.
I'm gonna get out of the car like falling.
Dude, I'm gonna like yak at the end. No, just kidding. Well, actually, you know what? You never know. Oh. Hi. I'm recording again. The camera turned off because I hit it against the window so it just shut off. Because we were going a little fast.
Oh, we're sending it.
Oh, real life dude, it is scary, yeah. It was like the real life toll gate.
We'll give him a little flyby.
Okay. I don't know if you guys see this, but yeah. Oh, Jesus. Alright. I'm gonna tap out soon.
Alright,
that was fast.
Turn around on the next
turn
one
around,
out
yeah, we'll
here.
turn
Shutting it down. How was it?
All-wheel drive grips, man.
Yeah.
So, like, yeah, dude, this thing is. Keep in mind, guys, this is with 3 people in the car. Andrew's in the back too. He's a silhouette because it's dark. But we got 3 people in the car and we're still going at its limits. I don't even know what that was. I didn't even hear, like, it grips, yeah.
That wasn't the limits.
Yeah, it wasn't.
We didn't even really, like, spool the tires.
Yeah.
But no, I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah, I did. That thing was still fast, bro.
Gotta love turbocharged boxer with some short gearing.
Short gearing, that's right.
All-wheel drive.
Yeah, the all-wheel drive, the short gearing.
It's a fun
Wait,
combo.
3rd and 4th are short, right?
All of them.
All of them?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Nice brakes.
Yeah, the brakes are.
I'm about to get out, like I'm about to fall over. Watch this.
Yeah, dude, we're about to. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, dude. I'm tapping out. Tapping out.
Eric enjoyed himself.
He's too fast, bro. He's too fast.
Get me out.
Oh my, get me out, bro. All right, that was all in the speed limit.
Yep.
That was all digital editing. Make it seem like we're, oh my god, bro, I smell the brakes.
Yeah, the brakes are warm.
What brakes are you running?
They're Cadillac Brembos in the front.
Okay.
And then
Oh,
stock,
you did a swap.
Yep,
Nice.
and then
I've heard of that.
stock
I've heard of
rear,
that before.
with hawk pads and stuff.
Nice. Hawk pads. Nice.
Stainless steel lines.
Nice. That's why you can. Yeah.
Glad you guys enjoyed it.
Dude, yeah. Thanks, Dean. How do you feel, bro? How do you feel, bro? No, I'm saying, chill. Hey, chill, bro. Uh-oh. Pizza time.
This is like a dream right here, dude.
Shit. This is a whole ass shoot, bruh. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm in the way, bro. My bad. Adam,
You're getting all these shots, right?
yeah, I know. You know. Adam is. Don't worry, Adam. This guy is the plug. I'm gonna pop his tag. Don't hit him up for photos, but he's really good at photos. Oh, you can hit him up for photos. Never mind. Flood his.
Always good.
Flood
I
his.
need money. My car's broken.
Flood his DMs. Okay. This is a JD. Dude, Andrew's car is so fast. Dang. Things are not.
That's the biggest plane ever, bro.
Oh my god, bro, it's so fast. It's so loud. God. Dude, it's so loud. Applebee special, bro. Watch this. This kid in the F Sport's pretty quick, but Andrew's in an M4, so he's about to walk and give him the Applebee special. Oh, gap his ass, bruh! Gap it! Gapped him, bruh! Ooh, Lexus kind of took the L there. It's okay though. It's okay though. It's an M4, full bolt-on M4. I expect nothing else. You know what I'm saying? Hey, give it a two-step. I don't have it yet. Not yet, man, not yet. Thanks, bro.
Who's next?
Oh, looks clean though. Oh, this shit's clean though. This shit is clean. Ah. What is going on, guys? Thank you so much for watching the video. A lot of crazy things happened in the past like 2 to 3 days. It was like 2 to 3 days worth of footage. So that's why it took a little longer to put out, I guess. And one more thing, I really appreciate all the support, and if y'all ever see me like in person at like T-Sane or Up 9 or whatever, please just, you know, come up to me like a normal person, car guy to car guy to car girl, whatever. Cause you know, I appreciate when people say like, oh, I'm a fan of your videos or like whatever, but I don't know how to respond because it's really awkward for me. Cause I'm a normal ass person, you know. I would never think of myself as like a YouTuber. Even if I had like 1 million subscribers, I would still want to be like seen as just like a normal car guy to car guy type of thing. So yeah, you know, if you ever see me, say what's up, and I'll show you my car. You could show me yours. We could all vibe, just being normal people. But yeah, once again, appreciate all the support, and I'll see you on the next video.
Wearing velvet. Can you take a 4 or 5 to the pelvis? Plenty money going around, I'm not selfish. And the ladies love me, Elvis. Smoky gas, living fast, wearing velvet. Can you take a 4 or 5 to the pelvis? Plenty